Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Secret Organic, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. I love you all so much. Thank you for your love, thank you for your encouragement, and yeah, and to my students, thank you all. So guys, today we are going to be talking about Arbutin Serum, right? So before that, I'm going to make this announcement. If you want to register for my online training class, yes, you are free to register for my online training class. And yeah, the training class comes in a recipe note, and also it comes with a video, like your recipe video, something that you're going to use to formulate your own, like the video. You're going to save your recipe notes, you're also going to save your video. Okay, so this is not a copy and paste training. You have your video with you, you have your recipe notes with you, so you're just going to follow up with the guidelines. And I'm still also going to help you to show you where you can get your materials, like your original materials that you're going to use to formulate your product. And the training also come with a certificate. If you want certificates, yes, I can issue you a certificate. Okay, so it's depending on the kind of training that you want to do. If you want to do the pure organic training, of course we also do that. If you want to do the promising training, of course we also do the promising training. So it's depending on what you want. Okay, so if you want to join my training, please, my Facebook page, my Instagram page is below the description box. Okay, it is already below. Just click, there's a link there, just click it. Not a link, like something like arrow below. If you, as you're watching this video, there's just one arrow below, just click it. You will see the description box. My contact is there. You can follow up with my contact, because if you're asking me to give you my number through the comment section, even if I put my number there, YouTube is still going to remove the number, because anything that has to do with number is not allowed in the comment section. Okay guys, so today we are going to be talking about Arbutin Serum. Guys, this serum is the bomb. Okay, see, I don't give a review of what I've not used. If I've not used it, I will tell you that I've not used it. Okay, so truth be told, I used it for 1 week, just 1 week, because I wanted to know how it works. But I gave it to someone that used it for at least more than a month. So this is the Arbutin Serum. This is the Arbutin Serum. So I gave it to someone that is dark in complexion. Okay, me, I'm light in complexion. I use it for just 1 week because I don't want something that is going to like dull my skin again. Then I have to start all over to try to, you know, tune up my skin or lighten up my skin again. So I tried it for just 1 week, and I gave it to someone that is dark in complexion to try it for a month plus. So I'm going to tell you something about this Arbutin Serum. This is really nice. This is really great. Truth be told, I do not know the ingredients they use in formulating this serum. It was just written Arbutin Serum. Yeah, they said it's a lightening and rejuvenating serum. So there is nothing like, no ingredient. They did not write the things they use in making this serum, like just Arbutin Serum. So they did not say it was made with that. They did not say it was made with this. They did not say it was made with that. So I really cannot say the ingredient in it. Okay, so I know that it is a lightening serum, and they also wrote fast action serum. So I'm going to tell you how this serum works, in case if you want to try it on your skin. If you're light in complexion, I'm going to tell you how you can use this to make a lightening lotion. And if you're dark in complexion, you know, sometimes okay, I'm not dark anyway, I'm just light in complexion. So sometimes some dark people, I know they will want to use some kind of serum, but they are afraid, like they don't want the serum to lighten their skin too much. They still want to remain that dark and the brightening and glowing. Of course, you can still use these lightening serums, even if they said fast action. Even if they say it's 3 days, that it will lighten you 3 days, you can still use it in a safe way, that it will not lighten your skin. Instead, it's going to brighten your skin. Okay, so how I made this how I use this serum. Okay, I use it in 2 forms. So the darkening, for the dark skin, I took this serum is 120 ml serum, guys. This is 120 ml serum. So for the dark skin, which is the chocolate, the caramel, the brown skin, yes, the cafe skin, how dark you are. So you just get, this one is 120 ml. Get a lotion of 125 ml to 150 ml. Okay, get a lotion, like a pure base lotion. You can make that in your house. It's very simple, just oil and water. Okay, I've done a lot of video on how to make your pure base lotion. So get that one, 125 ml to 150 ml. Okay, so get your pure base cream, and all you do is to add 1 full bottle, guys. Take note, 1 full bottle, just 1 full bottle, and you mix it together. You really do not need to add more oils, because this thing is a serum, but if you apply it on your skin directly, you will still be having that shiny effect. You will still be seeing that oil effect on your skin, but though it's a serum, so I tried it on my skin directly for 24 hours to see if I'm going to have anything like reaction, redness, something like that. So there was nothing like reaction, there was nothing like redness. So you take a base cream for 125 to 150 ml, then you can add this pure one, this full one inside, mix it together and use it for dark skin. It will just brighten your skin. Okay, so you don't need to be afraid this is going to be too harsh on your skin, this is going to be too active. No, because why? The base cream is not active, nothing inside, it's just pure. You add it inside. As far your base cream is already preserved, you do not need to add any preservative inside. Just add this one inside and you mix it, and for dark skin you can use it. Okay, for the lightening skin, so what you have to do for your lightening, for the lightening skin, if you have already made lightening lotion, already made, when we say already made lightening lotion, like a lotion that has lightening oils inside, a lotion that has lightening serums inside, a lotion that has lightening powders inside, okay, you can get 500 ml of that one. Any good one that you know, you can get 500 ml of that one, and you add 1 full bottle of this one. Okay, 1 full bottle, 500 ml is quite big, and you add 1 full bottle of this serum. If you don't want to add 1 full bottle, you can add the half of the bottle. Okay, so you add it. And if you also want to use a base cream, if you also want to use a base cream, how to make it a lightening base cream with your alpha arbutin, you get your base cream of like 250 ml base cream, pure base cream, guys. Okay, 250 ml pure base cream. Then you add your powders. We have lightening powders, you can add it inside. Then you can add kojic acid serum inside. Okay, you can add kojic acid serum. It must not be kojic acid, I'm just saying kojic acid serum. So you can add some nice serum inside, then you add your alpha arbutin serum inside also. Okay, this is for lightening skin recipe. Get a pure base cream, add any other serum, lightening serums you want to add to it, and you add your alpha arbutin serum inside for lightening skin. This is how I made it for lightening skin. I took pure base cream, add some bobo, some lightening stuff inside, and I also added this one inside. So the lightening was perfect. So the thing is that you cannot really tell if this one is the one giving you that lightening effect, or if it is the other serum that is also giving you the lightening effect. So you really will not tell, but just add it. Okay, just add this. And for the glow skin, like I said, pure base cream, nothing more. Add this one inside. If you apply this on your skin directly, you will see your skin shining as if you rub oil inside. And this is quite thick. This serum is thick. Okay, this is really nice. So this is it about alpha arbutin serum, guys. It is nice. No panic. No panic. When I first got it, I was kind of okay, no ingredients, nothing. The only thing I did was to test the pH, if it is low or if it is high, so that I can actually know my final pH of the cream that I'm going to use it to make it. Okay, so the pH of this serum is quite acidic, so if you're mixing your cream, you make sure that the final pH of your cream is also acidic. And if you're adding other serums to it, you also make sure that the serums that you'll be adding to your base cream should also be acidic in nature, so that everything can just match well and blend well. Guys, go and get this. If you're in Europe, you can get this from me. I'm selling it. If you're in Nigeria, go to market. Most of my comments, some people in Nigeria that will still come and ask me, where will I get this product? I'm not in Nigeria now, but just go to markets where they are selling creams. Anywhere you know they are selling creams, soap to bath, just take the picture, you go there, you show them, please, you guys have this thing. If they have it, they will tell you. They don't have it, they will still introduce you to another shop where you can also get it. Okay, so guys, this is nice. Try to get this and use it. Come back and leave your comment. Just come and drop your comments for me. And if you already use this, come and tell me the outcome of it. If it is nice on your skin, if it spoils your skin, or if it did not even work on your skin. Okay, so guys, that is it for today's video, and thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will be dropping another video very soon. Yeah guys, bye.